right, so when you're trying to SSH into a remote host and you see something like this, the remote host identification has changed. It's possible that someone is doing something nasty, or someone could be eavesdropping on you right now, man in the middle attack, right? So you do SSH and then mention the username at the host name, blah, 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 and then you come across this error. So what do you do in this case to go ahead and fix it? Let me tell you. Right, so all you need to do is go ahead and run the command ssh-keygen space -r as in capital R, and then mention the host name. That's it. So what does this command do? All right, so before we proceed any further, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, comment on this video. Thank you so much. Now, in order to get more information about SSH-keygen, you can go to this URL, linux.die.net. Now what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and place this URL in the description. This is the Linux man page for SSH-keygen. It tells you what SSH-keygen is, what are the options available. This is the one we tried just now, right, to fix our problem, SSH-keygen, um, space -r, and then you mentioned the host name. That's why the host name is slightly tilted here, right? And it tells you what this option actually does. If you scroll down right here, -r, what does it do? When you mention -r and then the host name, again, this is tilted. So it just tells you that, hey, this is where you mentioned the host name that you're trying to connect to. Now, what it does is it removes all keys belonging to host name, again, tilted, right? All the keys that are belonging to this particular whatever host name that you're trying to connect to, it's going to remove all those keys. From where? From a known underscore hosts file. Now this option is useful to delete hashed hosts. See the -h option above. Now I would recommend going ahead and checking this web page. A ton of options in there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're still facing some kind of problem while trying to connect to the remote host, please do let me know in the comments section. I'll be very happy to help. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great time ahead. Goodbye.